What's up guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'm going to do an unboxing and review of Cellecor ActFit A1 Pro smartwatch. Now this is available at 2650 rupees and it comes in black and blue colors. And we have it in black color. Now Cellecor recently launched neckband earphones and smartwatches. Now this is their first time doing this, and their smartwatches lineup is starting at 2399 rupees. They have two neckband earphones called NK1 and NK2, and they have three smartwatches which are ActFit A2, ActFit A3 Pro and ActFit A1 Pro, which is the one we are looking at right now. Now without further ado, let's look at the unboxing. Now here's the box. It looks like a regular watch box and it says Cellecor ActFit A1 Pro on top. On the side, it says Serving India Proudly, and there is branding and it says Strap on to be fit. On the other side, it has few highlights like SpO2, 24 hours dynamic heart rate, IP68 waterproof, etc. On the bottom it has pricing and other information. Now let's unbox this. First we get the smartwatch on a cushion, let's put that aside. Next there is charging dock, then there is documentation, one with their products catalog, a user manual and a warranty card with QR code. Now let's put all of this aside and let's come back to the watch. Let me remove the sticker. And this is how the screen looks like. Now let's have a physical overview. This is square dial and there is only one button on the side. On the back there are sensors and some information. These are how the straps look like. They are plain. It is a very simple design and these are silicone straps and there is branding on the buckle. Now here are the complete specifications of this smartwatch. Now it has 1.69-inch LCD full color square screen and it comes with real-time health monitoring features like heart rate sensor, SpO2 monitor, daily activity tracker with multi-sports modes. You can also customize watch faces. You can also receive notifications. Now it has IP68 dust, splash and sweat resistance, which is great for your workouts and light rain. Now these straps are changeable and this watch has Bluetooth 5.0. This watch also supports multi-language interface, which is pretty great. Now they say it will give normal usage of 7 to 10 days and on paper it has 45 to 65 days standby, which sounds good. Now let me turn this on. This is how the UI looks like. This is the watch face. Swipe up for menu. You can see sports, watch face, news, shutter, etc. There's also settings, in which there are more options. Now on the watch face, swipe down for more options, or swipe left or right for health apps, weather, music controls, etc. Now, let me try this on hand, and this is how it looks. Coming to the pairing process, just download the app Cellecor ActFit. Now once you open the app and set it up, you can go to device section and select Add Device. Now it will show you the available devices. Tap on A1 Pro. That's it. It will be paired. Now let's look at app interface. It has different sections like status, in which you can look at the data at glance, step tracking, workout, heart rate, sleep, blood oxygen. Next there is workout section. In this you can start the workout and it will track your exercises. Next we get device section. It has background permissions, watch faces, call reminder, app alerts, alarm, sedentary reminder, etc. You can even remove this device. Next there is profile section. You can edit your profile here and there are some more options. You can also log out from here. Now let's look at the review. Now this has a solid build quality and the rubber straps are plain and simple. They are also pretty smooth, so it feels good on skin. The square dial looks pretty nice. It gives a unique look and stands apart among most common watches, even most smartwatches. These straps are changeable. On the back, there are pins to detach the straps. It is pretty easy to change them. These straps are made of silicone material and they feel comfortable and light, so you won't have any problem with them, as they are smooth on the skin. Now this is a closer look at the button. You can press it to lock and unlock the screen. As for the usage, I have been using this watch for a while and it was pretty good. Sleep tracking also works nicely. Now you can check all the data tracked by this. In the watch, you can see basic overview. You can see the steps, heart rate, sleep hours, but you can get in-depth information from the app. You can see the step tracking, in which you can check previous day's data as well, or even a whole week's data at a glance. Similar way for heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking and more. Now coming back to the charger, this is how it looks like. This is charging dock, these are the charging pins. It has magnetic mechanism, so it will be easy to attach and detach. And on the back of the watch, these are the charging pins. Now this is how it looks like when charging. As for battery life, it gives good usage. It lasts for 5 to 6 days at full charge. I used it with all features turned on, but it can give you a week-long battery depending on your usage. As for charging speeds, it charges 85% in 45 minutes, which is pretty great. That's been the Cellecor ActFit A1 Pro smartwatch. It gives a pretty good performance. Sleep and step tracking are done pretty well. SpO2 and heart rate tracking work nicely as well. The design is pretty simple and it looks great. The square design stands apart in the crowd. Overall, it is pretty good. So what do you think about this watch? Let us know in the comments below. And I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.